This is why your Chevy Colorado won't start. Let's figure it out together. Here are the most common reasons. First up, check your battery. Dead batteries are the #1 reason cars won't start. Look for dim lights or clicking sounds when you turn the key. Next, think about the starter. If you hear a single click, but the engine doesn't turn over, your starter might be the problem. Don't forget about the fuel. No gas in the tank? Or maybe your fuel pump isn't working. If you can't hear it running when you turn the key, that could be why. Also, check your ignition switch. If your dashboard lights don't come on, or the key feels loose, the switch might be bad. And finally, think about the security system. If your key or fob isn't working right, the car might not let you start it at all. If you've checked all these and still no luck, it's time to call a mechanic. Stay calm. Most start problems are easy to fix once you know where to look. And that's why your Chevy Colorado won't start. Thanks for watching.